Salvacion na. Lance Salvacion, when are you gonna stop harassing Shania Kiana? Remember, Lance Salvacion na, rape is not a bail. Lance Salvacion. If you realize about rape, you will be convicted criminal. Oh, last 2010, you raped the little girl in Bataan. Last 2010. How long you rape that woman, that little girl in Bataan in way back 2010 when I was 13 years old? How come you raped that person? Do you want to put you in the enemy list, Lance Salvacion? You know, Lance Salvacion na, rape is not a bail. That's depends of the revised penal code, also known as that was depend, and that is a reclusion perpetua. 40 years imprisonment if you involved in rape, Lance Salvacion. You know, Lance Salvacion, after I defeated the best pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Asedio Jean, Angelo Bonsa, Procnoy, and even Daramay Tuason, and next you attempt to harass any kind of people, you know, Lance Salvacion, Lance Salvacion, if you're watching this in video, rape is not a bail. Like I said to you. For example, Victor Martin Soriano, convicted in perjury against Attorney Judge Tergara. Asedio Jean was convicted in bomb joke, or also known as criminal negligence, and not even negligence, even she involved public alarm and scandal for Jean Asedio. And best pills, Arnel G. Castillo, convicted in slandering or cyber libel, rape, and death threat, and even bomb joke. And even you, Lance Salvacion, you are convicted in rape. You know, rape is not good. You know, rape, you know what is that word, rape? Rape is not a bail. That is a criminal offense. I mean, I don't want to go to jail, or I never want to say, when I made the fake account of Gio Malana, and Gio Malana explained it to me, my parents asked me before that rape is not a bail. Oh, rape is not a bail. Oh, have you never heard about in the news, Lance Salvacion, rape is not a bail? Oh, because me, I never want to say rape eh. Rape is not a bail, Lance Salvacion. As for me, you and best pills, Arnel G. Castillo and Asedio Jean and Victor Martin Soriano, 4 of you, even Daramay Tuason, enough about bomb threat, enough about tahanang pinakamasaya, enough about that stupid show of TP. I had enough about tahanang pinakamasaya, Lance Salvacion. Even you, Angelo Bonsa. You know, give me a break, Lance Salvacion. You know, Lance Salvacion, you're kapuso. Just like Ronan Cayabyab. Oh, Ronan Cayabyab is not against TVJ. Oh, he's neutral with TV5 and he's neutral with GMA. Oh, Lance Salvacion, ha? I am warning you. Can you please leave Trisha Pung alone? Rape is not a bail. Eh, you harass Trisha Pung. Lance Salvacion. You piece of shit, Lance Salvacion. You attempt to rape Trisha Pung, even Paula Nunez, Lance Salvacion. What if I do that to your family member? I remember you, Lance Salvacion. You were being imprisoned last 2010. You are convicted in a criminal. Do you want to be like what happened to Anthony Solares? Or do you know what you want to be happen to Pura Luca Vega, who was in prison due to his blasphemy last year? Do you want to be like Anthony Solares? Do you want to be like them, Lance Salvacion? Lance Salvacion, like I said to you, Trisha Pung and Shania Kiana had already filed the cases against you. Oh, Joseph Maspinas had already filed the cases against you because you make a bomb joke. Like I say to you, Lance Salvacion, inaano ka ba ni Paula Nunez? Inaano ka ba ni Trisha Pung? Rape is not a joke, Lance Salvacion. Like Franco Cagayat says, ang rape hindi bail yan. That's why it's not a bail. If you see in the news, rape is not a bail. Even you, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, even you, Asejo Jean, Dara May Tuason, and Victor Martin Soriano, and Angelo Bonsa. Even that Super Kapuso Alliance. All of you are fake news spender. Even you, Best Pills, Arnold G. Castillo, you posted the Will to Win, and you said it Bulaga of TVJ 5 p.m. and 12 p.m. that Will to Win. Check the schedule, Best Pills. Arnel G. Castillo, what time that It Bulaga of TVJ? 12 p.m. Oh, what time that Showtime also? 12 p.m. Every Monday to Friday and Saturdays. It's always 12 p.m. Just go. It's 12 p.m. That's why. You know, Lance Salvacion, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo, Asejo Jean, Angelo Bonsa, Super Kapuso Alliance, Victor Martin Soriano, including Dara May Tuason, read the schedule that what time that It Bulaga of TVJ schedule, even Showtime. What time? That mean in Filipino, anong oras? What time? What time in the Philippine time? This is why. And I had enough about this fucking TV show, call it Tahanang Pinakamasaya. It's over now, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. You have to move on. Past is past. No more Tahanang Pinakamasaya. Me, I move on with Sofitel. Sofitel was already closed. Even the Spiral was already closed. I already move on about Sofitel. Even the Cat Sanctuary. Oh, it was already closed. Oh, you have to move on about Tahanang Pinakamasaya, Best Pills, Arnel G. Castillo. And enough about your idol is Paulo Contis. Tama na ang Paulo Contis, best pills. Enough about Paulo Contis. This is why I do not like nonsense. Oh, this is terrible. Best pills. Arnel G. Castillo. Asedio Jin. Lance Salvacion. Victor Martin Soriano, Angelo Bonsa, and Super Kapuso Alliance, and even Daramay Tuason. Think what time the Itbulaga. Think what time the show time. Think what time the schedule was. Philippine time in the noontime show. Will to Win is always 5 p.m. Oh, what time of show of Dingdong Dantes? Family Feud. Oh, what time? Oh, what time? 5 p.m. Oh, what time that Will to Win? 5 p.m. Oh, what time that Frontline Pilipinas? What time 24 Oras? What time TV Patrol? 7 p.m. At 6 p.m. Oh. And what time Saksi in GMA Integrated News? 11:30 p.m. Oh. Check the Philippine time. Best pills. Arnel G. Castillo. Asedio Jin. Victor Martin Soriano. Angelo Bonsa. Lance Salvacion. Super Kapuso Alliance. And even Daramay Tuason. Think what the time is it?